skincare Ashley, and I'm here to do another video, and this is going to be a makeup haul. Now on Black Friday I didn't really do much shopping. I pretty much just went to the beauty supply store to get some makeup items, so you can kind of call this my Black Friday haul as well. But yeah, I'm so excited to show you some of the products that I got. Some products I've never tried before, some products I've heard a lot about, and finally getting my hands in it so I can try it for myself. So yeah, let's get right into the video. Okay, so the first thing I got is something I always get anytime I go to the beauty supply store, because you can just never have too much, and of course they are lashes. And I absolutely love lashes. They're one of my favorite makeup items ever, and these are my favorite lashes. They are the Ardell Glamour lashes, the 113s, and this is what they look like. And these are the lashes that I always wear. Like in any of my videos, these are the lashes that I wear, and I pretty much reuse them until they is all jacked up and they literally can't be used anymore. Like, I reuse the hell out of my lashes. So these are the lashes, and I absolutely love them so much, and these were $3.99 each. The next item that I did get is something that I've always wanted to try out, and it is the Beauty Blender Sponge. And of course this is the beauty supply store brand, which they call the Perfect Blending Sponge. And I've seen this on so many people's YouTube videos, and they use it to like blend out their highlighter and concealer and things like that. And that's exactly what I want to use this for also. So I'm really excited to use it. I did get it in the color pink because pink is my favorite color. So yeah, I'm really excited to try this out, and this was $5.99. Something else that I did get, which I am really excited to try out, are these Nicka K Ultra Matte Lipsticks, and they look like this. Let's see if I can get a good glimpse of it for you. So it's called Ultra Stick, and they're matte lipsticks, and these were $4.99 each at my local beauty supply store, and I did get it in 3 colors. Let me see if it tells me the color name on the packaging, because I really don't think it does. Yeah, it really doesn't tell me what the color is, but I did get this really nice like mauve color, which I think is a really nice fall winter color. I did get this nude color also, and I also got a red color that looks like this. And I'm actually gonna go ahead and do an in-depth review and swatch of these lipsticks in another video, so be on the lookout for that. But I'm really excited to try these matte lipsticks out, because I absolutely love matte lipsticks. I just think they're so cute, and I prefer them way more than like glossy looking lipsticks and stuff. So these are lipsticks. Something that I'm really excited to try that I only saw in my beauty supply store, like I've never heard any background information on it, is this Absolute New York Icon palette, and it was $12.99 at my beauty supply store. And when I saw it, I'm like, oh my gosh, this reminds me of like a Naked palette. And I was looking at the tester in the beauty supply store, and it actually looks really nice. So this is what the back looks like, and it kind of gives you, you know, an idea of what the colors are, and it also comes with a brush. So I'm gonna go ahead and open this to show you guys what it looks like. So as you can see, the packaging is very nice. It's very similar to the Naked palettes by Urban Decay. And let me open this bad boy up. This is what the colors look like, and they're absolutely gorgeous. Like, especially these 2 colors are so pretty. So yeah, I'm so excited to try out this palette. And I'm also going to do an in-depth review on this palette also, going ahead and show you guys swatches so you guys can see how good the pigment is and stuff like that. So be on the lookout for that video. Okay, and the next few products are all LA Girl colors, and literally that brand is up and coming with the products. Like, LA Girl really stepped up their makeup game, and they released a whole bunch of really cool products. So the first item that I'm really excited to try out is the LA Girl Glam Blush Palette, and this is what it looks like. I got mine in Glam. They have another one that's called Pink, and one that begins with the S. I think it's called Sting or something like that. I can't even remember. But this is what it looks like, and this is what the packaging looks like. There's a mirror right here, and these are the 4 colors. So I just think that this is just so nice. And what I love about this color here is that it has shimmers in it, so maybe it can even double as like a highlighter or something. But I'm so excited to try this out, and like I said, I'm going to do an in-depth review or impression of this, showing you guys swatches and things like that. The item that I got from LA Girl is the LA Girl Pro Prep primer, high definition smoothing face primer, and I'm really excited to try this primer out because I've seen so many other YouTubers use it, and it creates just a flawless makeup finish. So I'm really excited to try it for myself. I currently don't even use a primer when I apply my makeup, so I'm sure when using a primer it'll make my makeup application 10 times better. And of course, along with the primer, I had to get the LA Girl Pro Setting High Definition Setting Spray, long lasting matte finish. And me personally, I love a matte finish face. I don't like the dewy look or anything. I like when my face is matte, and I love for my face to stay matte all day long because I do kind of have like oily to normal skin. So I find that in my T-zone areas, which is above my eyebrows and my nose and a bit of my cheeky areas, it gets a little bit shiny, and I always have to apply powder to give me back that matte finish. So I'm hoping when using this I won't have to do that, and it'll just keep me matte all day. And last but not least, everybody's favorite LA Girl product, which is the LA Girl Pro Concealer. And I only picked up one because I have a couple of them already, but I did get this one in a lighter shade. I got it in Toffee, and I got this so that I could highlight my face and kind of sculpt out my brows because I'm going to update my brow routine. So look up for my updated brow routine video, which will be coming soon. But yeah, I also got this product, and this was $3.99 at my local beauty supply store. Now, a tip for those of you who go to your beauty supply store often, make sure every time you make a purchase, you ask them if they have any samples, because they got tons and tons of samples behind their counter. So I did ask if they had any samples for me to try out, and I got 3 different samples. So the first one that I got is by Cream of Nature, and it's Argan Buttermilk Leave-In Hair Milk. So this is what it looks like, and I'm going to be trying this out when I pull out my weave and I wash my natural hair, and I'll let you guys know how I like it. It does say free sample. So yeah, this is just like a trial size of it, but I'm really excited to try this out because I absolutely love Cream of Nature products. The next item that I got is by a brand called Talia Wajid. Talia Wajid, I think is how it's pronounced. I don't even know, but it is their curl sealer, and it looks like this, and it says shapes and seals and curls. I like alcohol free, conditioning hydrating gel, stops frizz, adds moisture, defines shapes, seals in any size or texture of curls, dry soft, and adds shine with no flaking. So this looks like a really nice product to use. I'm probably going to use it in one of my curly units that I'm currently waiting to arrive. I did order 2 wigs from elevatestyles.com, and as soon as those wigs come in, I will do a video showing you what they are. So this definitely looks like a good product to use in some curly units, just to keep your curls looking nice and defined. So yeah, that is everything for my beauty supply store makeup haul. I am so excited to try out all these videos, I'm so excited to try out all of these products, and for sure I will be doing a makeup tutorial using them, and I will also be doing an in-depth review of the items, like the palette. I'm going to show you guys swatches and the lipsticks as well, so be on the lookout for that video. And if you enjoyed this video, then please give this video a thumbs up. And also, if you have any questions or concerns, then leave them down below in the description. Why do I always want to say description box? Leave them down below in the comments section. Get it right, Ashley. Get it right. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you'll be notified when I have another upload.